Good evening, students. I hope you are all fine at home and please obey government rules and help them to work out the thing what they have planned. Yes, convey my regards to your parents also. Yes, enjoy. And now you can enjoy the class, and our topic is interview skills. First, let us see what is the definition for interview skills. Interview skills is an attempt to secure maximum amount of information from the candidate concerning their suitability for the job under consideration. The boss will be checking out the processes. The boss will be checking out whether you are a capable person to be in their concern. So the success or failure depends purely on the performance of what you do during a interview. And modify your experience and expertise to meet the needs of the company and the role which they give you for the post which you have given your resume. And then if once you get a confirmation that you have an interview on a particular date, start to collect all the statistical data of that particular company and be ready to answer any type of questions asked by them about their company. Procedure, that is how you will be going for an interview. First, the process will be starting from you, because when you send a resume or CV to the concern, they will be after seeing your resume or CV, you will be asked to attend an interview on a particular date. Then recruiters will see whether you are capable of that company to meet their unique challenges. And then boss will expect you to show the understanding of their business and how you will be, what are the types and what are the qualities you possess in order to meet their needs. And a series of key questions after reading your resume, they will be framing questions to ask you. So while framing CV, you should be ready to answer the questions, whatever questions from which corner they ask, you should be able to answer that properly. Then what are the types of expected questions are: first, you ask yourself, why do you want the job for you? Yes, what is your strength, and what makes it different from other people? That is how you will be different from others. And you should be able to give clear and concise evidence to show how you have achieved in the past. And next is the achievements give you an added value and distinct advantage. How you will prove that during an interview process. And then you must be able to give facts and figures which are particularly valuable. Then be ready for an interview. How? What are the steps you want to take after getting a letter, call letter from the company? That is, you must frame relevant questions to ask them, but you should not put them in embarrassment. And you should know to impress the recruiter, but you should not talk unnecessarily. You should be to the question. You should answer only to the question. You should not talk unnecessarily. And if you are asking a good question, it will make them that yes, you are a person with some skill. So select some good questions and try to ask them. And then what are the qualities you possess in order to make you different from others? The key is to focus on the need of the organization. Totally your focus should be on organization and not on your own. And during the interview process, it is very much essential to be enthusiastic and positive minded person. And there is no there is no necessity of speaking any negative things about others or other concern. And you should there your main concern is to demonstrate your technical skills, and you should prove that you are the right personality to succeed. And you should focus only on the positive attitude. And what are the things will be considered during an interview is you should have command over the language, and strong interpersonal skills must be there, and you must be a confident person to give out your thoughts, and you must be a flexible person to adapt to any type of situation, and you should prove that you have leadership qualities, and you should be a self motivator. And yeah, all these qualities will make them think that you are an apt person, and they won't say no. You will be selected in an interview. And interviews is a place where you will be selling your skills and abilities. Okay, so what you want to do before an interview is go through many common interview questions and be prepared. You should display confidence during an interview, and you should give a good impression while coming out of the room. After completing the interview, you must be able to give good impression. That's it. I hope you all have enjoyed the class. Thank you.